Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to ИнстаФорекс Economic News TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina.
And me, Kate Nidachina.
You're watching the currency and commodity market review for the previous week.
What trends did the Forex market experience during the past week?
The US dollar was exposed to heavy downside pressure.
And what factors influenced the investor sentiment?
Global markets were weighing the Fed's decision to lower its estimate for the number of interest rate hikes planned for this year. On Friday, the US dollar stepped back from its 5-month lows versus the world's major currencies. In particular, the euro-dollar pair lost over 0.4%, dropping to 1.1269 levels. However, despite the fact that the greenback was able to recoup some of its losses incurred after the latest policy announcement made by the Federal Open Market Committee on Wednesday, it still ended the week on a negative note. The US dollar took a plunge on Wednesday and Thursday, shedding 262 pips, while the overall weekly decline totaled 124 pips. At the rate-setting meeting on Wednesday, the US Federal Reserve decided to leave its monetary policy on hold and announced it was now targeting only 2 rate liftoffs this year instead of 4 increases as projected earlier. This decision is based on the existing cocktail of risks the United States is facing from the global economic uncertainty. At the same time, moderate economic growth and rising employment make it quite possible for the Fed to stay on a tightening path this year. Moreover, the upbeat report on initial unemployment claims and the stronger than expected Philadelphia Fed Manufacturing Index spurred a rally in the greenback on Friday. By the end of the week, the US dollar was performing poorly against the pound sterling. However, the currency managed to stage a slight recovery against its British peer on Friday. The pound-dollar pair was down by 0.26% by the end of the weekly trades, closing the session at the 1.4484 level. The British pound logged a gain of 109 pips during the week. From Wednesday to Thursday, the sterling surged by as much as 425 pips. The cable consolidated near its monthly highs on Thursday after the Bank of England kept its benchmark interest rates at a record low of 0.5%. The UK Central Bank also maintained its bond buying programme of £375 billion, and that was all about the latest developments in the currency market.
Thank you for the currency market overview, Anna.
You're welcome, Kate. And what sentiment prevailed among commodity investors?
All in all, it has been a favorable week for oil and gold. Oil markets ended the week in the green amid hopes that the world's largest crude exporters will cooperate in cutting oil production. Brent futures for May delivery closed at $41.42 per barrel in late London deals on Friday. Prices were up by slightly more than 2%. On the New York Mercantile Exchange, April contracts for West Texas Intermediate crude ended the trading session at $39.44. WTI futures added 2.44% for the week. Since February 11, when the price plummeted to its 30-year low at $26.05, the U.S. benchmark recovered by around 40%. On Friday, oil futures retreated somewhat from the earlier 3.5 months highs after the weekly number of active U.S. oil rigs increased for the first time since December. Meanwhile, the value of gold sank on Friday, with the commodity trading near the week's opening levels. Gold managed to avoid a sharp decline on the weaker US dollar that boosted the safe haven appeal of the yellow metal among foreign investors. On the COMEX diversion of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold for April delivery was trading at $1,256 per 3 ounce.
Kate, thank you for the commodity market overview.
You're welcome, Anna.
You have been watching the weekly currency and commodity market review on ИнстаФорекс TV.
It was presented to you by us, Anna Kasatkina.
And Kate Nidachina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.